Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today inshallah we're gonna take the second letter in the alphabet, letter Ba. Ba is very easy actually. It has like a plate and it has one dot under it. But please to receive new lessons, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Yes, letter Ba is very easy. It's like a plate and it has one dot under it. And that's it. The sound of letter Ba like B in English. Ba, ba. So let's start again. Let's write together. Ba, ba. Now we're gonna play together. I will write and you will correct me. Okay? Yes. Can I write ba here? Yes, perfect. No, I can't. Can I write ba here? Yes, perfect. No, I can't. Why? Because I have write ba on the line. On the line. Yes, like this one. Huh. But we have here four position in letter ba. Isolated, like this. Or in the beginning, like this. And in the middle, like this. Or in the end or final, like this. Let's see how can we write it. Okay, the first position is isolated, like this word. Ab. Ab. It means father in English. Ab. The second position in the beginning. Bar. Bar. The next position in the middle. كبر. كبر. The last one in it is the end. Like this one. لب. لب. You know, now you can see how it's easy now. You just write with me and you'll correct yourself. If you want to ask any question, you can write it below the video and I will answer it soon inshallah. Assalamu alaikum everyone.